Good afternoon, viewers. You are watching SOAA News with me, Sabila, Rahmayani. Today we will bring you the most updated news from Senior High School 1. Learning in nature is already fun. When we feel bored in our classroom, learning in nature is one solution. Behind me, there are a 12th class of language who doing a learning in nature activities on ceremony field of SMAN Negeri 1 SITIUNG on Tuesday, October 25, 2022. This is done so that students will not get bored in studying. And now with me, there are one student who doing a learning in nature. She is Ola Efrianti. Hi Ola.
Hi.
How are you, Ola?
I'm fine.
Oh, good. Ola, how do you feel about studying outside the classroom?
I feel very happy to be able to learn in nature.
Oh, good, Ola. And do you think this is a very helpful in elementary program in learning?
Just because by studying outside, I don't feel bored.
Oh, like that. Do you think this activity should be continued in the future or not?
Yes, in my opinion, this needs to be continued, so I don't feel bored.
Oh, good, Ola. Okay, thank you for your time, Ola.
You're welcome.
That was the news for this afternoon. Follow the next update in SOAA News 1 hour ahead. I'm Sabila Rahmayani. Good afternoon and see you.